Unboxing a boom gate. Don't cut too deep. You get a zip on the top, 2 wheels, handle, wheels around. This end where the handle is, you have a stand. Got a little pin, you got a little handle, you got a little spring pin. Just hold it like that. Just locks into place. Your little knob that undoes. Just a little pin. Just undo that. You see, there's a little hole that goes inside the little hole. That is the correct height. Your cable comes out the top, there's a locking pin right there. I want to send my lights in that direction. So, just nip it up. I have a manual in here, ST1 remote, optional, a battery box, charger, tuning fork, battery box. Open that up, sit it on here, lock it up. There's a little tab on the bottom. Goes down in there. There's an on-off switch down there. Here's your lights. This is the compact version. Okay, plug in there. Little locking pin. Put it up on the top. Spin it around. It locks into place. This little power cable. You can turn your switch on down here. It's already powered up. It's already looking for its partner, already wanting to work. That's how to set it up. Okay? Target board. Instructions. Looking for the top piece, this piece right here, because it's got this little tab. See how we have a little tick of approval? We have a little tick at that end. The 2 ticks need to line up. It's got the tick. Obviously, the white lines all need to line up as well. Okay, come around from the back. Sits down there like that, comes down nice and flush. Obviously, you need to get your other side, which fits on here. These little wee twist locks. Fully set up.